it's Courtney here for those of you guys who don't know me, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out the new Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint in the shade 11. I am super excited to try this out. So far, I've only tried the Pro Filter Matte Foundation, and I really like that one. That's actually been one of my favorite foundations to wear for a while now, so I have really high hopes for this product. I'm ready to get this stuff on my face, so if you guys are ready to see how it works out, let's hop right into it. Alright my love, I've already prepped my skin with the Fenty Beauty skincare line, and I've been seeing a lot of videos where people don't put any type of primer on their face, they just use the moisturizer. But I don't want to do that. I don't know why, I'm just a primer type of girl, so I'm going to go in with what's left of my Too Faced Major Hangover Primer before we get started here. Okay, now usually before I get started applying my foundation, I would put a concealer just under my eyes and wherever I see a little bit of hyperpigmentation. But I kind of just want to see how this baby works and what type of coverage it's giving, so I'm just gonna start out by putting that right on my face. I'm nervous. I'm always nervous like when I try a new product, but oh. Just gonna put a couple drops and see what she's giving. I think that might have been a little bit too much, but it's okay. Okay. Oh, that feels really good. She's nice, she's light. I think she's giving what's supposed to be gave. Just blend it out here. Right above my brows. Okay, so I think I like it so far. It does feel really light. I don't feel like I have anything on my face at all. I've been hearing a lot of people say that, so that is true. I think for the most part we got that little bit of hyperpigmentation I had covered. Yeah, I would say so. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a little bit more, because this is supposed to be a light to buildable coverage, so gonna do a couple more drops. Just where I see that I got some. Okay guys, I think I like it. I really do like it. She is giving what it's supposed to be gave. Yes, okay. I'm happy with what we got going on here. Now I'm gonna see how it plays with other Fenty Beauty products. So I'm gonna just do pretty much a full face with this as my base, and let's see what happens. So to get started here, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick Matte Skin Stick, and that is low-key a tongue twister, but I'm basically just applying that right underneath my eyes with a concealer brush and then blending it out with my beauty sponge. And shout out to Minnie Marley for showing me this technique as opposed to just putting it right on my face. Instead of baking, I'm gonna lightly swipe some of my Dermablend loose setting powder on my face and apparently all over my hair to set my under eye. And when I'm done with that, I'm gonna hit a little dance for no reason at all. And then next I'm using my Fenty Beauty Contour Matchstick in the color Truffle. I kind of like to apply it anywhere I would typically apply a bronzer and then blend it out with my Real Techniques blending sponge. And then I contour my nose with it as well, and later on in the video you guys will see me apply a little bit more to my cheeks for some extra definition. When it comes to contouring, my overall finished look, I really like to be more on the natural end of the spectrum, especially for an everyday makeup look. So I spend a lot of time blending my contour before I add the highlight and my setting powder. And these matchsticks are my absolute favorite contouring tool. 95% of all of my contour, regardless of what brand foundation I'm using, is done with these babies. They blend with every single foundation I own, and they are definitely a staple in my makeup routine. Y'all, not only do they last all day, they are affordable, they can be used for more than just contouring. I just love these little matchsticks. I feel like Rihanna can do no wrong. Honestly, I'm not even mad that she hasn't released music in a while. I'm just happy to be blessed with skincare and makeup goodies. My blush for today is actually not Fenty Beauty. It's the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush, and she's cute, but she is super pigmented, so be really careful with this one. It took me a little bit to blend this all the way out, and usually I like blush on the top of my cheekbones to lift the face, but I've kind of been liking that anime blush look that's just right across the face and the nose, kind of like a cute sunburn, so that's basically what I went for today. Now this is one of my favorite beauty hacks. I'm going back in with that Truffle Match Skin Stick, and I'm gonna just apply that to my lids and blend it out with a sponge. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Match Shimmer Skin Stick, and I'm just gonna apply that right on top of the brown to give myself a cute little eyeshadow without eyeshadow look. These sticks are bomb too, the shimmer ones that is. You can use these as highlighters as well, and even put them over a cute lipstick or lip gloss to give your lips some shimmer as well. I told y'all Riri cannot do anything wrong. We love her. Now this is the part I was telling you guys about earlier, where I went back in with my contour stick and I just sculpted out my cheekbones. I do like natural, but I want to make sure my cheekbones look snatched. To lock all of my hard work in place, I'm using my e.l.f. powder blurring brush with a little bit more of that Derma Blend loose setting powder, and I'm just putting that all over my face. Today's mascara choice was the viral Maybelline SkyHigh mascara, and let me just tell you guys, the rumors about this stuff are true. This product is so bomb, I lie to you not. I'm just gonna apply that to both my top lashes and my bottom lashes, and honestly, I think I'll just end up making a video on all this stuff that TikTok has talked me into buying. For my highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Palette in that top shade Scandalize, and I use a little too much accidentally, but as you can see, she is blinding. I know y'all see that pigment. This palette was a collection released by Riri about 2 years ago, so you probably can't find it in stores anymore, but it is listed on Amazon and eBay if you're interested. And to top it all off, we're keeping it shimmery. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Summer Days Lip Luminizer in the color Single. Alright beauties, so this is the finished look. I did add some fake freckles and magnetic corner lashes off camera, and as you can see, that bomb highlight has settled down just a bit, but overall I would give this skin tint a 10 out of 10. It's light, but it still gives that flawless finish, and I will definitely be adding this one to my list of favorites. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know your thoughts of this. If you tried it out yourself or if you're planning to, don't forget to like and please subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching me every week, and as always, I will see you again in the next one, and I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. Take care.